Welcome back, Crammers, to question 15. Solve 5c is equal to 15. To isolate c, we simply divide both sides by 5. Divide by 5. This cancels out. C is equal to 3. Expand x into 8 minus x. Always remember that when multiplying polynomials, you multiply to all the integers inside the bracket. So x times 8 is 8x, and x times negative x is negative x squared. Why? Because when multiplying powers, we simply add them. T is equal to 5m minus 6n. Work out the value of t when m is 4.2 and n is negative 2.5. So we simply substitute it into the equation. T is equal to 5 into m, which is given as 4.2, minus 6 times n, which is negative 2.5. We can use a calculator to find our answer. 5 times 4.2, 5 times 4.2 minus 6 times negative 2.5. This gives us 36. T is equal to 36. Make G the subject of K is equal to 2G plus T. So we can see that G here is stuck to 2. How do we remove that 2? We can't divide by 2 straight away. We have to bring T to the other side. And when bringing something to the other side, we flip its sign. So now it's K minus T is equal to 2G. Now we can divide by 2. This cancels out. So we simply get G is equal to K minus T divided by 2. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.